Hello everyone. The RBI Grade B 2025 notification is finally out and congratulations to all those who are waiting for this particular moment. But with the notification, there also comes a lot of myths and confusions every year that can distract the aspirants. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the 7 biggest myths about the RBI Grade B examination so that you guys can prepare with clarity, with confidence and the right mindset, and let's begin. Myth number 1. RBI Grade B notification won't come in 2025. Now every year before the notification, rumors start spreading. Exam cancel हो गया, vacancies नहीं आएंगी, ज़्यादा vacancies नहीं आएंगी. But the history says something else. RBI has released notification every single year. So instead of wasting your time on the rumors, channel your energy into the preparation part. The notification is already here and be ready for the examination. Myth number 2. Only UPSC level students can crack the RBI Grade B exam. Now that's again a myth. Another common myth is only the UPSC students or IAS level students can crack this examination. That's not at all true. The syllabus definitely overlaps with the UPSC civil services, but the RBI focus is very different. They focus on economics, finance, management, English, reasoning and quant. In fact, multiple students who are from the banking, engineering and non-finance background have cleared this examination. There is only one strategy, which is hard work and smart preparation, not at all the IAS level preparation. Myth number 3. You need an economics or finance degree to crack the RBI Grade B examination. Now people often worry, I don't have economics degree, I don't have finance degree. Can I still crack the RBI Grade B examination? Absolutely, yes. RBI itself provide a steady material at least at a basic to moderate level. That's why you can see the subject FM, which is not financial management, it is finance and management, and the finance in it in the syllabus is general finance. Okay. So economics, finance, engineering, arts and science students can also crack this particular exam. You don't need to be a commerce graduate or I can say a finance background student to crack this examination. Your degree won't be defining your destiny. Your dedication will be defining the destiny. Myth number 4. RBI Grade B is only about mugging the general awareness. So many aspirants think like, okay, GA kar lo, general awareness complete kar lo, selection ho jayega. It's not like that, right? Definitely general awareness carry a weight in your phase 1 examination, but there is phase 2 as well, which is the real exam, which is all about economics, which is all about finance, which is about management, which is about English descriptive, right? So you need to have concept analysis and writing skills as well, not just the general awareness related things, right? So GA is important, but concept clarity and clarity related to the different aspects like descriptive skills will get you through this examination. Myth number 5. You need to be very strong in quant and reasoning. Some students fear that quant and reasoning are so tough in the RBI Grade B examination, like it's CAT level or IIT JEE level. That's not the case. Yes, quant and reasoning are definitely a part of phase 1, but the difficulty level is closer to the bank PO, which is a moderate level and not extreme level. The real weightage lies in general awareness, economic and social issues, finance and management and English, right? So you don't need to be a maths wizard to crack this examination. You just need to be a smart strategist. Myth number 6. RBI Grade B is tougher than the UPSC examination. Now the RBI is tougher than the UPSC examination, really. Let's be honest, UPSC has lakhs of aspirants, a huge syllabus and the demand years of preparation, right? It demands years of preparation. However, if we talk about the RBI, it has a smaller crowd, a niche, a focused syllabus and a limited number of attempts. So think of UPSC as a marathon, whereas RBI is nothing but a 400-meter sprint. Both require effort, but RBI is doable with the right approach. And myth number 7. Once you crack the RBI Grade B examination, life is all about transfers and stress. That's not true. One of the biggest myths is after you crack RBI, your life will be only about transfers and stress. Definitely transfer are part of the job. They happen every 3 to 4 years. But RBI postings are always in the major cities and not in rural areas, right? Plus the perks. are completely excellent, I can say, housing facility, work-life balance, financial stability, and a prestigious job. Yes, there are some stress, there are some issues, which is there in every aspect of life, whether it's job or any business. But it's nowhere near to the pressure that we are having in the private sector jobs, right? So RBI means stability, prestige, and balance. So I can say that it's a very amazing job, plus it's a very prestigious job, right? So conclusion is, these were the 7 biggest myths about the RBI Grade B examination. The notification is already out. The opportunity is in front of you, and the only thing that is standing between you and your success is your preparation, right? So stay consistent, stay focused, and do remember, clarity always beats the confusion. And if you need mentorship, we have already launched a crash course for your RBI Grade B examination covering both the phase 1 and phase 2. Have a look at the course highlights, and if you need mentorship, you can join this course. There is a 101 mentorship batch as well. This is with books. You'll be getting the physical books as well. Plus you can check the course highlights here. And if you want to give previous year question paper, then you can come on our website, Olive Board's website, and you can attempt 2024 previous year question paper. It is completely free of cost for you guys. Okay, so thank you so much guys. Bye bye. Take care. See you in some other video.